Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use a graph to find a number delta such that if 2 is less than x is less than 2 plus delta, then 1 over the natural log of x minus 1 is greater than 100. So what does this actually mean? Well, we have this function, and I'm going to plug it into a graph. And we're going to see that between x is equal to 2 and some value of 2 plus delta, right? So some distance delta. Over this distance, the function is going to have values that are greater than 100. And then maybe after that, it's going to drop off and be less than 100. But inside this value, it's going to be greater than 100. So we just have to find how far we go before it leaves this range and drops below 100. And so I've graphed this function, and we can see here it's very zoomed out. It's kind of hard to see what's going on because we have to see all the way up to x is equal to 100. But if we zoom in right here to the point where this function passes this blue line, which represents y equals 100, we can see that it does so at an y value of 2.0101, roughly. So therefore, delta, this distance, is 0.0101, right? Once you go past that, it goes below 100 again. And so for delta to be so small, and also just from seeing the graph, we can assume that the limit as x approaches 2 of this function is infinity. Right? As we approach 2, we go off to infinity. There's a slight caveat here that this is only the behavior as we approach from the right? This is not 2 minus delta, right? This is only looking between 2 and 2 plus delta, right? We're not looking from this direction. We're only looking as it goes to this direction. But we can say that this function gets really, really high values very, very close to the value of x is equal to 2. Therefore, we can say that it's going to go off to infinity as we approach 2, based off of the delta we found here.